Tell me something. Do you have a pet or do you have a child with 4 legs? Sounds silly, right? Hi everyone, I am Palak. Welcome to my channel Dil De Ke Dekho, where we talk about love, relationships, coexistence and kind of parenting they don't teach in books, but probably your dog does. और आज हम बात करेंगे what it means to be a pet parent in India. Because I believe somewhere between those cute doggy videos and please don't let them on the sofa, we have totally forgotten that these pets are not accessories, they are relationships. You need to understand, having a pet doesn't mean owning a fridge. You are not their masters, in fact, you are their entire life. Parenting means that you understand कि जो भी आपका dog है, cat है या जो भी pet है, they have their own needs, they have fears, they have traumas, they become anxious. They are not here in this world to just make you happy, and you need to give them that space. Just like children, just like us. So I'll just share an incident with you. When I became a pet parent, I was obviously not aware of all this. So my dog peed on the carpet and my sudden reaction was like yelling at him कि यार ये क्यों कर दिया तूने एकदम से, ये क्या किया? But that moment I just stopped कि इसने ये क्यों किया? And then I realized he was probably anxious because of some noises in the building. That moment made me realize कि अगर वो कुछ कर रहे हैं उसके पीछे क्या रीजन है, पहले वो ढूंढने की कोशिश करो. For example, if there is a small baby, जब वो छोटा होता है वो ऑब्वियसली आपसे बात नहीं कर पाता एंड यू आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट कि उसको भूख लग रही है, वो क्यों रो रहा है, नींद आ रही है, दर्द हो रहा है. विद पेट्स इट्स द सेम एग्जैक्ट थिंग. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट दे रिमेन बेबीज फॉर लाइफ. यू हैव टू डिकोड व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू से एंड यू हैव टू बी अ लिटिल पेशेंट in understanding their reactions. So pet parenting is all about that. Patience and understanding and figuring out why is it happening instead of just suddenly reacting. You know what I've observed in India is that people love animals but only in theory. मतलब reality कुछ और ही है. Because I'm just talking about India because that's what I've seen around. लोग टेरेस पे बांध के रखते हैं डॉग्स को सालों तक, धूप हो रही हो बारिश हो रही हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. They still give them leftovers, चपाती बची हुई, टेबल स्क्रैप्स और whatever. मतलब ढंग का खाना नहीं खिला रहे हैं. Because I feel here in this country, people love animals, but they have their own limitations. कि इतना ही करना है, इससे beyond नहीं करना है. And pet parenting, for some reason, is still considered to be a luxury. कि cute है dog तो ले आए, बच्चों को खेलना है तो ले आए, बोर हो रहे हैं तो लेकर आ गए. People need to understand they are not accessories or toys. They are responsibilities. जैसे आप ह्यूमन के बच्चों को रेज करते हो, इट इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम. इट्स रेजिंग अ डिफरेंट स्पीशीज ऑल टुगेदर and that is the responsibility people need to take, and that is what parenting is. So basically the way you are treating that pet, the way you are raising that pet shapes who exactly do you become, who exactly do you are. And most importantly, अगर आपके घर में बच्चे हैं, it teaches them how they are going to grow up, like what are they going to become in future. So just ask yourself one simple question. If you have children at home, if you have human children at home, are you teaching them convenience or are you teaching them compassion? You know, people often say your dogs are so lucky. I've seen people talking about it कि आप उनको कितने अच्छे से रखते हो. They are so lucky to have you. But I think it's just the other way around, because I feel I am lucky to have someone in my life जो मेरे ऊपर इतना भरोसा करता है, जो मुझे जज नहीं करता है, जो मुझे अनकंडीशनली प्यार करता है और मुझ पे आंख बंद करके भरोसा करता है. So let's just flip the narrative from pet ownership to pet parenting. It's really not about who's in control. It's about that deep connection which is from heart to heart. Can you just do one thing for me this week? Just look into your pet's eyes, your dog, your cat or any other pet, and just talk to them. Like a soul-to-soul conversation, even if they don't understand. Because guess what? They do. Maybe they don't understand the words, but they exactly understand how you're feeling. If you are sad, they know. If you are scared, they know. If you are disturbed or you are super happy or excited, they just know. Because this connection is not limited to words or certain language. It's way deeper than that. It's the connection of the soul. Because it's really not about the language and words. It's just about the presence, about that soul to soul connection. So next week, we'll talk about something that a lot of pet parents keep asking me about. If you're a first time pet parent, how do you prepare your home for this new member of the family? Or things that you are never supposed to feed your dogs ever. Till then, just breathe, relax, and maybe just give those extra kisses and cuddles to your fur ball, because that fur ball in that house, that's not a pet. That's love in the purest of form. And like I always say, kabhi dil de ke dekho.